Welcome to Beatrice's Math class. Today I want to teach you how to solve quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, the example we have here says solve the equation d squared plus 4d minus 21 equals 0. Okay, let's start. D squared plus 4d minus 21 equals 0. At this point, we need to eliminate this so that we have the ones with variable standing alone. How are we going to eliminate this from here? Because we have minus here, minus 21, we need to add 21 to both sides so that this one will be cancelled out. So, add 21 to both sides. So we have d squared plus 4d minus 21 plus 21 is equal to 0 plus 21. Minus 21 plus 21, you are owing me 21 and you have 21. Give it to me, then you have nothing. So finally we have our equation to be d squared plus 4d equals 0. No? 0 plus 21 is 21. So we have it like this. Now the next step is this. We are going to divide the coefficient of d by 2 and then square our answer. Divide the coefficient, let's write it down so that you understand it better. Divide the coefficient of d by 2 and square. Okay, so we have 4 divided by 2 is equals to, now when you square it, you have 4. The answer you got, you add it to the both sides. Add 4 to both sides. So you have d squared plus 4d plus 4 is equals 21 plus 4. Don't get confused. Remember, when you get to this point, you find the half of the coefficient of d, that is dividing it by 2. When you divide it by 2, you square the answer you got. When you square the answer, you add back your answer to both sides to balance the equation. Now we have added. And then we have it to be d squared plus 4d plus 4 is equal to 21 plus 4 will give us 25. Look at it very well. Now, once you get to this point, the next thing you need to do is to factorize the side. Factorize the side. Remember, we have d squared plus 4d plus 4. So when we factorize, we have d plus 2 raised to the power 2 equals 25. Check to be sure that the factorization is correct. We have d plus 2 raised to the power 2, which means times d plus 2. d times d will give you d squared. d times 2 will give you plus 2d. 2 times d will give you plus 2d. 2 times 2 plus 4. d squared. 2d plus 2d will give you 4d plus 4. Have you seen that this thing is the same as this? So don't get confused. When you factorize, you have d plus 2 raised to the power 2 equals 25. We have not finished. Now, when you get to this point, we need to move this raised to the power 2. Just the same way we say that when subtraction crosses the equation, the equal sign, it will become addition. And when addition crosses the equal sign, it will become subtraction. At this point, when square crosses the equal sign, it will become square root. Here we have d plus 2 is equal to square root of 25. Is it making sense to you? Okay, I think we are missing something. We have d plus 2 equals plus or minus square root of 25. Remember that in quadratic equation you must have two answers. Plus will give you an answer, then you have another answer with minus. Okay? Here we have d plus 2 is equal plus or minus square root of 25 is 5. At this point, we can make our d to stand alone. What we need to do is to find the value of d. Find the value of d. Let's move to this side so that you see it clearly. We stop at d plus 2 equals plus or minus 5. Let's make our d to stand alone. You have d equals plus or minus 5 plus will cross over. It will change to minus 2. So d is equal, remember we have plus or minus. So 1 will be plus 5 minus 2, or you have d. We have written the 1 for plus, minus 5 minus 2. Okay, let's solve. 5 minus 2 is equal 3. Minus 5 minus 2. You are owing me 5 and you are still owing your brother 2. So minus 5 minus 2, you are owing the two of us 7 altogether. So we have minus 7. Therefore, b is equal 3 or minus 7. That's the answer. Okay. Remember, you can actually go back to follow the steps. In our next video, we are going to solve another example for you to get or for you to understand this better. But one thing you must remember is this. Once you get to this point, remember to divide the coefficient of d, not d squared. D, remember to divide the coefficient of d by 2, and then you square. When you square, you add your answer to both sides. When you watch the video again, you will get to understand it better. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share.